What's going on, y'all? So today I'm super excited that we have a reveal. So I have got the cheapest that runs in the entire country, and it's really not as bad as I thought it would be. So this car was definitely a really good deal for what I got, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm really excited about this new car. It is a 2013 WRX hatch in World Rally Blue, and it is a nice looking little hatchback. So this car is much more refined than my last Subaru. It's a lot more comfortable, drives a lot smoother, accelerates a lot smoother. And I kind of want to keep those characteristics of the car, keep it nice and comfortable, but make it a nice driving car. So really the end goal for this car is to have a nice, comfortable daily driver. Maybe get some gold wheels for it, maybe make it look a little nicer, be a little bit more comfortable, do some interior stuff, audio stuff. But other than that, for right now, the plan is to keep it pretty much stock. Just keep it reliable. I don't want to dump a whole lot of money into this car quite yet. Until maybe if I move off, if I get another car, I might keep this one as a fun car, but who knows. Alright, y'all, thank you very much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video, and make sure to stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna go over everything that's wrong with the new car. It's probably gonna be a really long video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and you're excited about the new car. I'm definitely really excited about it. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see more videos just like this one. Thank you very much for watching, y'all. As always, take care and stay positive.